Look beyond the headlines. What you are about to see is a seismic shift in global power. The rapid advancements in China military defense technology are not just about new weapons, they are about a complete rethinking of security and cooperation. From joint border drills with major powers to stunning public displays of air power, a new strategic reality is taking shape. The pace of innovation is breathtaking. To stay informed on these critical developments, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest on cutting-edge technology. A powerful new alliance is being forged on the frontiers of Inner Mongolia. For the first time in history, the border forces of three nations have joined for a major drill. The Border Defense Cooperation 2025 exercise is a bold statement. It moves beyond simple patrols. This drill focused on a chilling modern threat: joint strikes against terrorist activities. The forces established a unified command post on Chinese soil. They operated as one cohesive unit. Their mission involved complex joint planning and reconnaissance. They performed joint lockdowns and strikes. This event showcases a new model for regional security. It proves a much higher level of trust and coordination. The soldiers used the latest tools in military technology. They deployed battlefield TV systems and advanced radar. Crucially, they used FPV drones to hunt for targets. This multi-layered approach combined fixed and mobile units. It used day and night tactics. The Zhuhai Air Show is about to unveil a game-changer for ground forces. The star is the LY-70 Field Air Defense Missile System. This is not a simple launcher. It is a smart, adaptable shield. Its dual launchers can carry an impressive 14 missiles of two different sizes. It mixes 4 long-range LY-70 missiles with 6 smaller, agile FB-10 Amperes missiles. This creates a layered defense web. The system's brain is what makes it special. It uses both active radar and passive infrared systems. They work together perfectly. The Changchun Air Show offered a rare look into the future of air combat. Among 16 advanced aircraft, one model stood out, the twin-seat J-20. This is a major evolution of the famous J-20 stealth fighter. The key difference is the second cockpit. The fuselage is longer to fit it. Why does this matter? Modern air combat is incredibly complex. It is mentally exhausting for a single pilot. Now, 2 aviators can work as a team. On long patrols, they can share the workload. One can fly the jet, while the other manages sensors and weapons. This improves their understanding and splits tasks effectively. This change signals a big leap in military technology. It shows that modern war is not about a lone hero in a single plane. It is about a network. The static display at Changchun was a helicopter enthusiast's dream. It showed birds built for every possible job. 3 of the 4 types had just participated in a grand military parade. Each machine has a unique and vital role. The Z-20Ka is a medium-sized utility helicopter. It is a true multi-tool for the Air Force. It can drop assault forces deep behind enemy lines. Its most critical job might be combat search and rescue. If a friendly pilot is shot down, the Z-20Ka is the perfect rescue vehicle. It flies fast and low. It can even provide firepower to protect the downed airman. Then there is the Z-10 Kelvins, a dedicated attack helicopter. Its tandem cockpit seats 2 pilots. One flies, the other operates the devastating weapon systems. The cannon under its nose is incredibly advanced. Its wings can carry rocket pods, anti-tank missiles, and even special air-to-air missiles for fighting other helicopters. Upgrades to the Z9WA give it better eyes and firepower. This diverse fleet proves the military defense technology for helicopters is not one size fits all. It is about specialized tools for a complex battlefield. Each helicopter reflects the evolution of China military defense technology and its focus on real-world versatility. The Zhuhai Air Show became a theater of pure power and precision. The event captured global attention from the moment it began. China's powerful J-10 fighter jets, including upgraded models, took to the skies. But the true stars were the cutting-edge J-20 stealth fighters. Their aerobatic display was breathtaking. The roar of their engines was a testament to progress. Their movements were not just for show. Every twist and turn demonstrated real combat agility. Spectators and experts watched in awe. They saw the advanced technology on full display. The performance highlighted incredible growth in aerospace innovation. It was a clear, powerful message about the strength of the nation's military technology. This was not just an air show. This September, the sky over Changchun told a story of strength. The People's Liberation Army opened its hangars to the world. It put its entire active military aircraft fleet on display. The event drew eyes from across the globe. It was a powerful statement on the country's growing air power. Visitors saw an impressive lineup. They saw fierce fighter jets, heavy-lift transport planes, and versatile helicopters. Each machine represented years of modernization effort. The show was more than just a static exhibit. It reflected a deep strategic focus. The goal is to dominate the aerial battlefield. This commitment signals non-stop progress. The advances in China military defense technology are continuous. They are crucial for national security in an unpredictable world. The display proved that the nation's air force is ready for tomorrow's challenges. The crowd at the Changchun Air Show got a thrill they will never forget. China's homegrown fighter jets, the J-16 and J-20, put on a spectacular show. The event, hosted by the Air Force, was a celebration of aviation. The J-16 jets demonstrated their raw power and agility. A pair of them roared over the grandstand. They launched into tight, horizontal spirals. Then they shot straight up into the sky. They finished with perfectly synchronized barrel rolls. This display showed off their skills in all directions. Then came the main event, the J-20 stealth fighters. 4 of them flew in a precise formation. They moved in tactical pairs. In a hard-stopping maneuver, they sliced through the narrow airspace between each other. This cross-pass was not just for drama. It underscored their incredible coordination and advanced flight control. It was a masterclass in modern military technology. The teamwork displayed is a core part of today's military defense technology strategy. Each movement reflected years of training and the precision of China military defense technology. The performance symbolized how far military technology has advanced in design, control, and strategy. Engineers speak about the J-16 fighter jet with deep respect. This fourth-generation multi-role aircraft is a masterpiece of design. It is praised for its aerodynamic shape, heavy weapon load, and evolving combat power. It can strike targets in the air, at sea, and on land. The praise is rooted in its physical structure. The jet uses large strake wing body integration. It has a conventional twin vertical tail layout. It features clip-tip tail fins. All these elements work together to make it fly better. One engineer famously stated the aircraft has no flaws. Soldiers on the front lines agree. They love its smooth flight control and high combat effectiveness. The nose section is packed with an avionics system built for war. The main fire control radar is at the front. It is helped by other systems like electro-optical radars. Even small parts, like the drag chute at the rear, are vital. This parachute helps the jet slow down fast after landing. The J-16's greatest strength is its role as a combat platform. Its versatility has led to specialized versions. The J-16D, a new electronic warfare aircraft, is built on the same strong foundation. This adaptability is a hallmark of advanced China military defense technology. On the vast Horchin grassland, a different kind of competition was underway. It was not for a trophy, it was for survival. A brigade held a fierce tank gunnery contest. The goal was simple: test real combat readiness. The shooting match was designed to be brutal. It evaluated the marksmanship of entire tank crews in chaotic scenarios. The tanks had to hit camouflaged and moving targets. They had to do this while driving at high speed. Every soldier inside the steel beast had a critical job. They had to independently weigh the battlefield situation. They assessed target types. They decided what ammunition to use. They chose the perfect moment to fire. The rules this year were much harder. The driving route had more barriers. Targets appeared more randomly. Extra targets were placed at the farthest distances. Every single change was made to simulate the chaos of a real fight.